Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Motorola Edge 30 Fusion, and let me share with you how to check total screen time on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find the Digital Wellbeing and parental controls. Let's enter. And as you can see, actually a quick disclaimer, if you will open this section for the very first time, then your device will actually show you two different options, so you will be able to enter the Wellbeing or the parental controls. So just tap on the first option because it is the Wellbeing, and you will be transferred directly to this graph, which will show you for how long you've been using this device today. As you can see, I've been using it for 12 minutes. Most of the time I've spent on the camera, and here you've got also the unlocks and the notifications count. If you'd like to check some further details about the time spent on the screen, you've got two different ways to do that. So you can either tap directly inside of this graph, and you will be transferred to the dashboard, which is connected with the whole screen time. So you can see it here, and under it you've got all of the apps listed. You can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened. It's up to you what you want to check. And the second way to do that is to tap directly on the app. So for example, let me pick the camera, and as you can see, I will be transferred to the dashboard connected only with this particular app. Of course, you can change the screen time to the notifications received and times opened, and from daily to hourly. So basically, that's how to check the screen timeout. But I just wanted to say a few words about ways to disconnect, because we've got the dashboard, bedtime mode, and the focus mode. And I highly recommend to actually check those modes, because they are perfect if you, for example, want to rest from the social media, you just want to sleep, or you need to work and you want to focus, and so on and so on. Let me show, for example, this one. As you can see here, we can select the distracting apps. So let's pretend that the most distracting app for me is the YouTube and the Chrome. And as you can see, they will appear right here. Right now you can set the schedule. You can pick particular days and particular hours when the schedule will be set. And thanks to this, in this time which you've applied, your device will simply reduce the notifications from the distracting apps. So for example, if you know that the most distracting app for you is, I don't know, Instagram or Facebook, then your device will simply limit the notifications in particular hours. So I really think that if you want to rest, that this mode is the one of the best options to choose from, to just have a little bit of peace. So here you can also reduce the interruptions using the manage notifications and do not disturb mode. And if you want to enter the parental controls, you have to just scroll down to the very bottom. So basically that's all. This is how to check the total screen time in your Motorola Edge 30 Fusion. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.